Now close left hand side. You can see left hand side or next to Oracle. Click that one, and then click Oracle database. Click that Oracle database. Then go to Oracle database VM comma. Yeah, click that one. Now click on the database. Go down. Okay, you come down. There's a compartment. Can you see the compartment? Vivek WK10.2. Click that compartment. Now click on dib. Click that. Click on dibars. Click that dibars. Click. Go up. Now click on test. Go down. Down. Now click on node. Left hand side nodes. Now copy the public IP address. Go to putty. Your black color. That's the putty. Open that. Paste the IP address over here. Now go to left hand side SSH. There's plus option on the SSH left hand side. Expand that SSH. Click on plus symbol next to SSH. Now click on plus again on auth. Yeah, click that one. Yeah, click the credentials. Now click on auth or just click on auth. Yep. Now expand that. Credential. Click on browse private key for authentication. Now go here. Click here. On the right hand, you can type SS. Oh, it's okay. Okay. Click open. Now go to top. Go top. Session. Click on session again. Now save the session. Save sessions. Click OCR database. You can write anything for your reference. No, first you have to give some name. Save sessions. Give some name. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Now click on save. Now click open. That accept. OPC. 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 Enter. Not allowing you. Just check whether you have a putty gen or not on a machine installed. Putty gen. Go and start on the start button. Click on start button in the Windows. Type putty gen. Yeah, there's a putty gen. Click on that one. Click on generate. No, don't click on generate. Click on the file. Click stop that one and start it again. Putty gen. Click on file. Load private key. Now show that key, the key which you have just downloaded. Downloads. Open. Okay. Okay. Now click on save private key. So, yes. Now give name to a key, any name you want to give, and put it somewhere where it should be easily accessible to you. Now click on save. Okay, save. Yeah. Now go to putty. Close this one. Get a new session for putty. Now go down. There should be, you have saved the session. Go down. On the default settings, 1, 10, 10, 10, this one. Now go down. Click on Lakshmi and click on load. Load. Click on load. No, don't start it right now. You have to change the key. Again, open that. Click on putty. Go down. Click on Lakshmi. Load. Again, load. Then left hand side, click on SSH. Expand that SSH. Click on auth. Credentials. Now browse. And now give the location of the key which you have just saved with the help of puttygen. Click that. Open. Open. Go to sessions again. Session, stop. Top. It's on the top. Session. Click on session. Now click on save. Now click on open. Now type OPC. Okay. Now you're logged into database on the cloud. Okay, just a moment. Open terminal.